All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm going to say this right now because I know a lot of people are searching online, um, over the internet, trying to find ways in which they want to trade the future markets, but they just don't have the time to do so because of their day job. All right, there are options, guys, in which you can trade outside of your normal work hours. You can trade during the Asian session. I know a lot of times that it may be hard for people to trade the London session, depending on where they are at globally speaking, maybe even here in the United States. For me, it's impossible almost because the market opens up like 3 o'clock in the morning. But the Asian session, trading between like 8, somewhere after 7 o'clock, really like 8 o'clock in the evening, is a very good opportunity where you can, find a nice scalp and make some money every single night. So honestly, you can make $250, just trading within the first 30 minutes or an hour during the evening session outside of your work hours. Now, I want to say this before I move forward. I'm going to show you just kind of a rundown. I would trade the NASDAQ okay? And actually, in specific, you could trade the micro NASDAQ just as well. I'm trying to aim for that $250, within the first 30 minutes or an hour. Now, I put together a nice PDF, all right? And it's for free for anyone who wants a copy of it. 5 pages. It walks you through, basically a step-by-step of multi-chart confluence, or a scale-down approach from using a higher base chart down to an actual entry chart on how I personally trade. Because I trade using supply and demand, but there's things that I look for, and I'm always following in the direction, or trying my best to follow in the direction of the higher base chart. It's a very good PDF that breaks things down in terms of the actual strategy. Now, if you want a copy of that, there's a few things that you need to do. I'll talk about that here in a second. You see the image right here. That is the front page of the PDF, the image of it. And as you see what it's titled, the ES Futures Range Bar Blueprint Guide to Funding Your Freedom. Now, I'm talking about the NASDAQ, but within that PDF, that is the basis of the scale down approach using, multi-chart confluence from a higher base chart down to your actual entry chart. It works, but you got to understand what to look for and how to trade it. You need to back test. You need to forward test the strategy to see if it's actually going to work for you. It's been working for lots of people here that are part of this community, especially I'm talking about the Discord, and people who are part of also, of course, here on the platform YouTube. But if you go down to the testimonial channel on the Discord, you'll see where people are leaving testimonials using this same strategy. A lot of people are converting from using time-based charts to in specific using range bars. So this blueprint, this PDF, is the guideline to how I personally trade. All right. Now, I will say this right now. You got to know that trading is risky. Not everything is going to work for every single body, because some people may not just understand, no matter how hard you try to make it as elementary as possible, because there could be other things that may come into the fold, like, certain psychological habits surrounding trading, fear, greed, FOMO, and everything else in between, or just bad habits from things they've learned in the past that they can't shake. So again, like I said, the system works. It's just all in what you put into it and how you actually go about learning it. So again, if you want a copy of this PDF for free, you need to comment down below ES Blueprint. Please make sure to click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the like button. Then head over to the Discord. The Discord is free. The link is down in the description portion of the video. And on the Discord, send me a DM. All right, requesting a copy of the blueprint, but in specific, leave me your YouTube username, so because I'm going to be cross-referencing to make sure. All right, so do those things and you can get a copy of the PDF. Now, moving on right quick. The strategy is very easy. I've talked about this in so many videos here publicly on the channel. But using the micro NASDAQ futures, you really only need to go in for about 25 points. All right. So we'll do the quick math right quick. Let me get a calculator. I always like to do this. 25 points times 4. That's basically 100 ticks. Okay. So because on every point on the NASDAQ or the S&P 500, for every point there are 4 ticks. Okay, so 100 ticks. The tick value size for the MNQ or micro NASDAQ futures is going to be 50 cents a tick. That's going to give you $50. If you trade 3 contracts on the micro NASDAQ, some of you may trade a little more depending on your size of your account. That's $150. Okay, seriously. Now you could do this, and maybe you're going for more. Maybe you end up getting 30 points or 40 points. You can go for 2 quick scalps off the NASDAQ, right? The micro NASDAQ futures, and get or try to make or you can make up to, say $300 an evening, okay, or maybe more. This depends on how many contracts are you trading, what is the amount of points that you're actually aiming for. Me, typically, I have a goal kind of in a sense to where I'm going for at least 25 points when it comes to trading the NASDAQ. Now I trade the E-mini NASDAQ, the standard contract, but you can too if you build up an account. There's nothing wrong with sticking with the micros, don't get me wrong, because when it comes to trading the micro NASDAQ or any micro futures market, you're not leveraging as much, meaning the risk is not as high as it would be in regards to leveraging a certain dollar amount, of your account, or leveraging a certain amount of your account when it comes to the micro NASDAQ. So a lot of people like to stick with the micro NASDAQ futures because of that fact, okay? So again, going for, say, 25 points or more, you could get that $250 every single night. $250, times 5, that's $1,250 a week. Now, and if you look at those that like to keep their full-time job, nothing wrong with that, because that's icing on the cake. That's an extra $5,000 every single month if you were to make $250 a day. Is it very doable? Yes. And actually, you can make more than that. It just depends on how seasoned, and how much and educate yourself on and back testing and forward testing the strategy. I always talk about patience leading consistency leading to profitability. That is the formula. That is the equation that is going to get you there. Now, the strategy is very simple. I always start with the higher base chart. On my higher base chart, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the depiction of the direction, number one. And then number two, all I'm looking for is, are we bullish or are we bearish? If we're bullish, I'm looking for demand. I trade supply and demand. So if we're bullish and my bias to the upside, then I'm looking for pullbacks to key areas of demand. Like right here, this could be demand, pushes up, this could be demand. So I'm looking for those nice high probability areas of demand, and then I start scaling down from there. Now, if the market flips we like the first run to the downside, we break structure coming to the downside, all right? The first structure break. And then it pulls back to some key area of supply, then I'm going to be looking for to go short off of. Like right here, this is a beautiful area of supply where the market starts to reverse we have a change of character where we have inducement to the downside, breaking through structure. We got a low here created now, all right? It pulls back, it makes a lower high, and then we're breaking lower lows and lower highs to the downside. Now, this is a supply area here. So on my higher base chart, once I figured out the direction in which I'm going to trade, I mark up my zone, okay? Mark up the zone, and then I'll move down to, say, for example, the next level chart, which is a 120 when it comes to the micro NASDAQ or the full-on NASDAQ futures. Then the box right here, the first box I have drawn up is the one off of the 320 range chart. All right, then I move down to a 120 on the NASDAQ. Now, what I'm looking for here is that once the market retraces back to the zone on the whatever market you're trading, then I'll look for the market to show me some, bearish sentiment or bearish movement to the downside, especially if there is not a zone that I can classify or mark up that is on the inside, meaning a supply zone on the 120 that may be on the inside of the 320. If there's not one, in this case here, we pushed up right here, as you see. Now, this right here could have been one right here. All right, it is one, okay? You got to think in terms like that. It is one. The market did come back to this. This is a supply area right here, but you also got to keep in mind these imbalanced areas coming down below here. So these imbalances in between these candles, the market can react off of any one of those and say, hey, I want to push a little bit higher. And that's what it did. It went back to the upside. There was liquidity rested right here, and it grabbed liquidity. And then when it did, it grabbed liquidity. How you know it's liquidity? It's where they wick above, slightly above a swing higher, swing low, and then they continue moving in the direction. This is what gives them fuel right here, all right, is liquidity to continue moving in the direction. The sign was right here when it came down with inducement or pressure to the downside to break below that low right there. That was kind of the first telltale sign they want to keep pushing lower. All they did on a pullback was go up here and grab liquidity. They stopped at that supply zone, the first area on the 120, so we could have marked that up right there. Look for reaction right here, but I got to be careful because, look, I see these imbalances resting below, and the market can stop at each one of these fair value gaps here, or any one, and then start to push back higher. So you got to understand that, all right? So that's why I say price action is king, all right? You got to follow market structure and understand, but price action is king. So they go up here, they sweep liquidity, and then they flush to the downside. Now, for me, when they push back to this area here, I really want to see, okay, at this point, if you notice here on the 320, we're bearish here to the downside, right? And then when we pull back right here on the 120, we're starting to make these higher highs, higher lows back to the upside. We do sweep above that area there, that little that swing high right there. Then I'm looking forward. For me, I'm going to see if they're going to start pushing to the downside, making low, lower highs, lower lows, or looking for some formation of supply being created back to the downside right here. So I'm going to mark up this supply area here on my 120 range chart. Again, we're at that's 320 supply area. This is a 120 supply area. You notice how it's in that that vicinity there, right at the 320 range supply area. There was another one right after that. Middle low, lower high, coming to the downside. Excuse me. This is the low right here. This is that low right there. I'm going to be aiming for that low if I can find an opportunity off of a supply area to take the trade going back down to the downside to some area, coming to the downside where there's a low at, right? But what I'm really aiming first is to make sure or to see these imbalances get filled back to the downside. Those imbalances in between candles are what's called fair value gaps. A lot of you should know that by now, okay? But this is a supply area right there. That's a supply zone right there. Break of structure coming down. Another supply area there. I can look for an opportunity to continue taking the trade back down to the downside. This is a beautiful one right here where you can take it going lower here. So there was a couple in this area here. So what I'll do then is just like from the 120 range chart, I'll take it one step forward. I'll move down to my 24 range chart on the NASDAQ futures or the micro NASDAQ futures and look for a supply setup on the lower base entry chart. So 320, the higher base chart here, figuring out the direction of the market. We're bearish now. We're looking bearish. All right, mark up a zone there. Then I'll mark one up off of my 120, okay? So supply zone, I want all my charts when I'm trading. If I'm going short, supply higher base, supply mid-level base chart, and supply on the lower base chart to look for an opportunity to go short, right? And that's what I do. I'll scale down to 24 range. I see that, okay, as it's pulling back to say, for example, this supply area here, I'll move down to the 24 range chart, look for a supply setup to take the trade going to the downside on the 24 range, okay? Ultimately, to fill in the gaps coming to the downside, if we look back at the higher base chart, like right here, and then aim for that low right there. These are the things that I cover within the blueprint, the PDF file itself, but I really go into detail about these things within the elite or ultra elite supporter group. For those that are already members, thank you for supporting the channel. But for those that really want to also join, what do you receive? You receive so much added value, okay? This is all through the YouTube membership program. You see the join button below the video there. If you click on that, you'll see some tiers pop up through YouTube that I put together. And you can become a member for a very inexpensive amount of only $6.99 a month. Not a day, not a week. It's a month. That's 24 cents on a day. What do you receive? You see the perks when you click that join button it'll outline those things. For example, you receive all my trade breakdown videos. That is to where like almost every day I'm taking trades and I post my trades over in the Discord. I'll break down the trades, okay? To cover the cornerstone, the blueprint to how I trade, I break them down in detail for every trade that I actually take so that you can understand and follow based upon the trade details. Going through market structure, price action, stop loss placement, profit target areas. Those help people and it's helped people tremendously because people are using the same strategy to pass and become funded through the prop firms. There's a testimonial section on the Discord. If you check that out, you'll see where people are using the same strategy to become successful. And they're trading range bar charts the same way I do, using the same strategy. Now, what I want to say is this. It's all about what you put into it. Putting time into it. Taking time to watch the video content. Please watch the video content because that's where you're going to understand and learn, or hopefully you get to learn and educate yourself on, the strategy and the system of how I trade. That is where within the elite and the ultra elite supporter groups, that is where the cornerstone lies. You receive the trade breakdown videos, all of them, okay, where I'm breaking things down in very fine detail as if you're sitting right next to me. That is how most people learn, are they visual learners. So it's like watching an instructor on a chalkboard or whatever the case is, or someone speaking to you and drawing out the plan for you or drawing the blueprint out, laying it out so you can see it with your own eyes, and then walking you through examples. That's what I do with the trade breakdowns or the trades I take. I break them down and use them as examples so you can understand what I was looking for. What did I find? Why did I take that trade? So again, there's tons of those there. Plus you get the video playlist and a great video surrounding market structure for $6.99 a month. Now, again, if you want to copy that PDF for free, you know what to do. I just covered that here on the at the beginning of the video, so please do that. And if you haven't taken time to subscribe, all right, hopefully you did. If you want to copy that PDF, make sure to do so. All right, guys, please help the channel out. Other than that, that's all I have today. I appreciate everyone. Again, I mentioned in the last video that I am taking a few days off. It's been a while, and I spend time with some family, just kind of get some downtime for myself. And as we all should, and it's the summer months, so these are the times in which we really need to kind of enjoy, because we want to get a couple of them before we go through those other months, depending on where you live at. But anyways, that's all I have. I appreciate you taking time to actually sit down and watch this video. But again, you could do this in the evening, okay? Before you even go to work and sign in, or, walk to that door, or make that morning commute. Use the strategy, or at least try to perfect it and understand it. You got to understand the concepts, like I said, to be able to make yourself an extra $250 within 30 minutes to an hour in the evening time. I'm talking about during the Asian session. All right? Take care. See you in the next one.